The 2025 BMW X6 is a high-performance luxury SUV that demands attention. Its sleek coupe-like silhouette, aggressive stance, and powerful engine options make it a statement vehicle for those who crave both style and substance. Performance asterisk, the X6 boasts a range of potent engines, including a turbocharged inline-6 and a potent V8. These engines deliver exhilarating acceleration and a throaty exhaust note that will turn heads. The X6 handling is equally impressive, with precise steering and a well-tuned suspension that provides a thrilling driving experience. Interior asterisk, step inside the X6, and you'll find a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. High-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a user-friendly infotainment system create an inviting and sophisticated environment. The available advanced driver assistance features provide added peace of mind and convenience. Design asterisk, the X6 distinctive design is a key element of its appeal. Its sloping roofline, muscular fenders, and bold front grille create a striking visual presence. The available M Sport package adds even more aggressive styling cues, such as larger wheels and a sportier body kit. However, the X6 coupe-like design comes at a cost. The sloping roofline can compromise rear headroom and cargo space, making it less practical for families or those who need to haul large items frequently. Additionally, the X6 premium price tag puts it out of reach for many buyers. Overall asterisk, the 2025 BMW X6 is a thrilling and stylish SUV that delivers exhilarating performance and a luxurious interior. However, its compromised practicality and high price tag may not be for everyone. If you're looking for a head-turning luxury SUV with a focus on performance and style, the X6 is definitely worth considering. I hope this review provides a different perspective on the 2025 BMW X6.